let's start a process of creating a lead list. In the onboarding steps, you go to create a lead list, or on the left-hand side, you can just go to lead list. Here you then upload a CSV file. You select the file. Now that the file has been uploaded, you can see there are certain columns: first name, last name, email, LinkedIn profile, company website, and I've added 2 custom variables over here. So first name will map to first, last name, email address auto-detected, LinkedIn URL, website URL, and we can do a custom variable here, and we can also bring in a custom variable over here, and this is going to be their funding status. If you have already imported this list before, maybe you've got multiple campaigns sending to the same people, you need to make sure that you uncheck the skip duplicates. If you don't, it won't import any duplicate names. But here, because we haven't done that, we'll go through and create the lead list. And there, our lead list is processing, and you'll be notified once the leads have all been imported. Once the leads have been imported, you will be able to view them. And here we can see these LinkedIn URLs, the custom variables number 1 and 2. We can also generate personalization based off of their website. And we can do that over here at scale also, or we can customize all of them. And now that your lead list has been created and it's been uploaded and you've done some personalization, it's ready to be used inside of a campaign.